and Trucking Adventures. I'm going to do a quick video of my revenue in the last 2 weeks. It's nothing crazy. I only grossed about $5,000 to the truck and still took home $2,000 of it. And then the next week was about $2,700. And this week I grossed really well. I grossed over $8,000, and I'll do another update video about that week. I didn't receive my driver's statement this week because the 4th of July. It usually happens around the holiday seasons. And let's get to the driver's statement and look at it in greater detail. Alright, the first week I got 2 loads. I came out with $5,100 to the truck, and then you can see my deductions. The registration, hunt, IFTA, ELD, occupational insurance, and pre-pass deposit comes out to only $293. That's what deductions would look like as an owner-operator. As a lease operator, it looks totally different. You got your tolls. I got a big long list of tolls. I had somewhere to go that week to a paramotor fly-in, so I ended up taking a lot of toll roads to try to get my week done as fast as possible, which hit me pretty hard at $389.29. That's usually not a normal toll cost for me, but it was that week. It was almost $400. And then you get down to the fuel cards, and we scroll down a little bit further. Need to see if I can fast forward this part. My total fuel cost of that week came out to $2,407.47. And then we scroll down a little further. You get down to the year-to-date gross, year-to-date net. Grand total that week of $2,010.24. And then you can see the total of loads. It was 2. And my gross pay total, $6,375. And some of that goes to Nova. And then my total miles. Then the following week, I made $5,120. And same as before, you can see the deductions at $293. And you got tolls. There's my list. Also, another week of lots of toll deductions at $153. Not as bad as the week before. And then fuel card came out to be $1,946.02. Then my grand total came out to $2,727.85. Well, that's it for the revenue update. We got a bonus clip with some dash cam footage of this truck driver trying to back up in the interstate. Let's go check it out. thanks for watching this video. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification button if you want to get notified that my videos are uploaded. And stay safe out there. See you guys next week.